So welcome back to JavaScript tutorial. Now we are going to discuss about JavaScript array. So let's remove this. So I will create a array. So what is array actually? An array is a special type of variable which can hold more than one value, or you can say it is a collection of elements of any type of data and it's stored in a single variable. Suppose as an example, in a class there are students like student, suppose student 1 student, and name suppose John, right? And in this way there is another student, suppose I am going to create student 2 and the name is like Mark, okay? And another, so let's create another, and student 3, and let's the name is anything like Kate, okay? So in this way, if you have hundreds of student or more than 100 student, then will I create these 100 types of variable or hundreds variable with different name? So actually it is not possible. In real life it's not happen. Actually we will create a common variable like array type of variable, and inside that variable we can store multiple type of data. Like suppose let's create a variable and variable name is student, and this is actually the array type of variable, right? So how to create array type of variable? So let's use these things and it became the array type variable. And inside the student array you can store any type of data. Suppose let's write John, let's write Mark, and let's write Kate. In this way, if you have hundreds of name, you can pass it in this way. Just use comma separate and then your text, right? And let's use another comma and let's any text, right? So in this way you can write. So whatever you need you can store. Now if I just going to print console.log and let's print the student variable, so you will get these things: John, Mark, Kate. So inside the array there is 3 elements and name is John, Mark, Kate. In this way, if I just going to write any others, suppose let's see Rick or something, and now if you just refresh you will get all the thing here, okay? So this is the, now it became the 4 data and it's showing the 4. So expand it, you can see that, and the length is 4. So we don't need to write this 100 times. Great. So you can understand how you can easily use and what is the advantage of that things. Now the question is, I already created student array, right? And we have this type of things. Now I want to get only the student which name or which is Kate, right? So I want to get the result from the Kate. So how can I do this? Now you can check here in the console section, array is starting from the index 0, means if you want to say what is the position of John, that is the 0, and for Mark that is the 1, Kate is 2, and Rick is 3. So if I just going to print the value from the Kate, so how can I do this? The index is 2. So simply just to print the particular data, simply use 2, and if you refresh you will get the only value is Kate. Now if I just going to print the Mark, then 0, 1. So simply write here 1 and it will get the output, that is Mark. Simply great. Now if I just going to push some data into the array, means I want to add some data into the array, how can I do this? Simple. Now just here write as we have 4 data, now 1 2 3. Now if I just write student dot push, and now I just write here ram, okay? Now just simply refresh this, you will get the 5 data, that is 0 1 2 3 4, and it's added at the last of your array, okay? So in this way you can push. Now if I just going to delete the element from the last, so simply if I just going to just pop this and simply just refresh here, so you are getting John, Mark and Kate, 3 elements. Means we have a student data, and in student array we have 4 elements or 4 data. Inside there I just going to delete the last element, so this is the student dot pop. This is actually the JavaScript function. So you will get there are more JavaScript function like this, you can use that and easily you can handle any JavaScript or any JavaScript arrays, right? So there is JavaScript array, so there is lots of array function, right? Now another way to insert any data into here, so simply let's close this and simply refresh. We are getting the 4 data, and now we don't have any data in the 5th position, right? So 1 2 3 4, 4 means 5th position, and I want to add some data in another way. So let's write 4 and simply just write anything or any names or anything, right? So simply write David, okay, and let's refresh. You are getting 5. So you can directly use push, or you can directly add to the proper index. Now the thing is, if I just going to add anything, or if I want to modify, suppose let's say instead of John I want to write any other things. So just go to your index and simply instead of John just write Clark, okay. So actually it will refresh. So first element become the Clark, means array is easy manageable. So if you just write here 2, so the Clark will be changed the name from the position 2, 0 1 2 3. So the output will be John, Mark, Clark and Rick, okay. So John, Mark, Clark and Rick. So this is all about the JavaScript array, and it's easy and easily you can handle it. And there is another some function. Suppose I want to print the length of array, or I know the length of the array, so simply just write length, and this is the function. Actually I just going to remove this, I don't need that, so simply refresh. So you are getting student dot length is not a function, sorry, this will be not a function, and just refresh this, you are getting 4, okay. So this is not a function actually, dot length, okay. And if you want to add some another thing, suppose this is the array, so if you just print here, so you are getting all array. And if you want to print all the things in the text format, how we can do this? So simply write console dot log and just use student dot join. So this is function, and now just refresh this, so you are getting John, Mark, Kate, Rick, okay. So in this way we can handle JavaScript array. So this is all about JavaScript array. I hope you like this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. There is many array function available in JavaScript, you can find in internet, or I will publish the array reference function into my websites. So next day we are going to discuss about another interesting thing, that is the JavaScript object. This is another type of variable present in JavaScript, and it's easy handling. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.